Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl. Today is going to be a vlog and I am supposed to take pictures in 3.5 hours with a photographer, and I was like, why don't I take you guys along with me? So we are going to shower, do skincare, go to the mall to pick up some outfits because I am very last minute with this as always. Yeah, let's get started. I have to shower and get myself together, so let's do that. It's time for skincare, self-care in general, to be honest. I have been trying to take my skincare seriously, and I'm going back to what works, which is Korean beauty. Listen, I stayed away for a little bit. When I first started this whole thing, or started taking care of my skin in 2020, I started with Korean beauty and really enjoyed them. My skin was doing a lot better. And now I just feel like I'm doing a lot with minimal results. So I'm going back to what works, which is Korean beauty. And there's a lot of products when it comes to the whole Korean beauty world. Overwhelming at first, but also very satisfying and enjoyable if you like products like I do. We'll have to make a whole video about skincare girl and Korean beauty because it's a lot. It's makeup time. Alright, so I have everything lined up in front of me. I have one new palette that I'm excited about. It's this one by e.l.f. It has a bunch of very bright colors, but if you know me, you know that I'm only going to stay in the neutral area because I can change the lip when I'm there. I can add more colors, but you can't take away. Makeup, please. This is when I wish I had like a makeup artist. Actually, I don't know. It's a little bougie. It's a little much. Where's my primer? It's this one by Makeup Forever. They also have a very matte one that I would highly recommend if you are oily like me. On it, I don't know if you can see. Focus. There we go.
Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just stay the night, then you leave when it's like nothing wrong, it's alright with you. No ties.
I'm trying to decide what to do with my hair, and low-key, I like it like this. Every time I'm getting ready to go somewhere and I'm like, oh, what should I do with my hair? That little voice inside of me as a little girl comes back, you know, asking, why do I feel like I need to do something with my hair, you know? I don't like feeling like I have to do something with my hair when I'm going out. I don't like that at all. You know what? I think I'm just gonna leave it. I think she is giving, she's chilling. Okay, I'm gonna just let her vibe. I'm just gonna, you know, get my clothes together and we're gonna head to the mall to get what we don't have. And to be fair, so when I was getting ready, I was looking at my closet. I have a few things. I don't actually need to go to the mall, but I guess I want to. All right, so I have two different outfits, including the one that I'm wearing. I'm not a huge fan of the black on black. So we'll see what I find at the mall. I also have my bags and boots. That's gonna go with these outfits. Made it to the mall, feeling a little under the weather. It's funny because I posted a video about how I plan and create my content, and someone had a request. She wanted me to talk about how to stay motivated and actually create your content when you don't feel like it. And honestly, what I've realized is motivation is not a thing. Half of the time I'm not motivated to actually work. You just gotta do what you have to do. Sometimes you just have to force yourself. And today's one of those days. I feel like I'm forcing myself to do this. And I mean, I'm paying this photographer, so I gotta show up and show out. So I gotta do what I gotta do. I can't just like call in sick when I'm the boss. All right, so we found a potential outfit. I'm gonna try it on and I'm gonna show you. We'll see how it fits. All right, so I love this. This is nice and comfortable and flowy. I just feel like you can wear it on top of anything. The pants, I don't know. It is a little loose. Is it Instagram worthy though? I don't know. So we're back. I found another pair of jeans at Zara that should do. I couldn't try it on, so that's a little, it could be problematic. But you know what I don't like? Let me vent for a quick second. I don't have a lot of time. I have to head to my location. But people that can't be polite back. You don't need to be polite first, but at least, the least you can do is be polite back. You know what I mean? So the girl at the register at Zara, I show up there. She doesn't say anything. So I'm like, hello. My mama taught me to at least say hi to people. And she's like, hey, how are you doing? So I'm like, I'm good, thank you. How about you? And doesn't answer. Why'd you ask me if you're not gonna answer? Just say hello back and keep it moving. So I'm like, I'm good, how are you? I had to repeat myself. Anyways, I got some jeans at Zara. I hope they fit. And let's go take some pictures. So I'm back in my car. This is probably the worst angle ever, but I have to change. And if you're a blogger and you haven't changed in your car, then you're not a blogger yet. And I'm actually outside, y'all. Like, it's crazy.
Let this be the real thing. Tell me now what's on your mind.
All right, so we are done taking pictures, which is great. My car is an absolute mess, an absolute nightmare. I want to take like a few reels before I go back home, just because I'm already looking cute. Makeup's already done, you know, might as well take advantage. You know, I'm gonna have to change in my car again. No. So I am back home and it is time to make dinner. I have exactly an hour to whip something together before I have to keep working. So let's do this quickly. I do have some salmon that is already defrosted, thinking ahead. So I'm going to make that, and salmon doesn't take too long to do. And I'll also probably just roast some vegetables on the side or something, pop some rice in the rice cooker. Girl, I have so many tricks up my sleeve when it comes to cooking quickly and making something healthy, delicious, yet quick. It's my specialty, actually. That's what I do. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, 15 minutes later, everything's already prepped, everything's in the oven, the rice is cooking, and we're gonna have salmon, veggies, and rice. What else do you want? So I'm here with QB, and she wants to show you guys her new trick. Come here, baby girl. Are you ready to show the people? You acting shy? Look at her little head. Oh. Okay, sit. Sit. Good. Stay. Come. Come. Stop. Down. Come. Stop. Sit. Sit. Good. Good job. Okay, stay. Come. Stop. Sit. Down. Pop. Oh, good paw. I hope you saw that. It's a well-trained dog. Right, baby girl? Oh my God, I'm so proud of you. And no, you cannot lick my face, my friend. You know what the best part about cooking is? Eating and tasting your own food, because to be honest, sometimes by the time I'm done cooking, I'm done eating. It was actually getting overcooked. Let's get it out of the oven. Ooh. Okay, girl. We are done for the night. I am going to eat my dinner, finally relax, and I'll see you guys when I see you.